Now, of course, you can create your own brushes, but if you want even more brushes, then you can purchase brush packs, and you can do that by going to Corel's website. You can click on this button here, or you can go to Help, and then Welcome, and then go to Get More. And then if you look under All or New Brushes, then you can see all the different brush packs that you can buy. These are packs of brushes that fit into a particular theme, so there's a bunch of pointillism brushes, there's post-impressionism brushes. If we scroll on down, there's light brushes. So you can add many, many, many more brushes to Corel Painter if you like. All you need to do is click the Buy Now button to buy them. It's simple to install the brushes. Once they're installed, you'll be able to scroll down to the bottom of your list here, and you'll see that brush pack down at the bottom. It'll be a category just like all of these categories are showing, and within that category there will be some brushes. In the event that you have to reinstall Painter, or you upgrade to a newer version of Painter, or you get a new computer, and you've lost your brush packs here in the brush selector, you can always get those back by going to Brushes, and then Restore Purchases. And then you can enter your email address and continue, and that will restore all of your purchased brush packs.